Hello everyone, today we have a 2020 Honda Pilot Touring with all-wheel drive. And that engine sounds smooth, so I'm going to go ahead and close this up, take you for a tour. And those LED headlight surrounds don't flicker to the human eye. That's the refresh rate of the camera that's making them do that. You see that it has alloy wheels. Go ahead and take a sneak peek of the interior. See, it does have the drop-down LCD screen with the entertainment package and a leather interior. Also has fog lights up front. And second row captain's chairs. And these captain's chairs are heated. You see it also has a 115 volt outlet right there. You can also plug in your headphones. And you have multiple USB ports there. There's your third row. So literally seats 7. There's that drop-down LCD screen and the sunroof. And then you do have retractable window shades. And here's a shot of the VIN right here. There's 2 driver presets. Alright, and as you look down here on the bottom right hand corner, you'll see that it has 9,861 miles on it. You have paddle shifters, push to talk, trip computer, other stereo controls. There's your push button start, and we're going to come over here and turn this down a bit so you can hear me better. Here's stereo.
All along with listening in your cars.
That sounds good. Okay, so you jump over to navigation, which I love that it can go full screen. Here's your stereo, which is AM, FM, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth. And there's where you control your rear entertainment. And go ahead and put that in reverse. Show you the backup camera. Come on up above, and you have your map reading lights. And then you have your glasses holder, which also doubles as a conversation mirror, so you can see the people behind you. And that about wraps it up for this Honda up there. And then there's your Blu-ray player. You see that it does have heated front seats. There's your shifter, additional power outlets, a key fob, and that has remote start. Okay, and there's additional stowage down here and 2 additional power supplies. That about wraps it up for this Honda on the interior. This vehicle does have a branded title. There's an impact up here front and center. The airbag's deployed, but there is no structural damage, so we got it all fixed up. It has passed the 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com.